I'm Hannah Profit. I'm Programme Excellence Manager at McLaren Automotive, and part-time in the Royal Air Force Reserves. I'm an engineering officer. The learning and the training that I've been given by the Royal Air Force is world-class. I've had the opportunity to do a lot of adventure training. I've also travelled. I've spent time in Norway, the Falklands, working as a team member in a completely different capacity, and having the opportunity to do that in such a different environment is something that I really feel that I can bring back to my employer.
I'm Catherine. I work at Zodia Markets, which is a cryptocurrency trading business, and I've been serving in the RAF Reserves for 6 years. I think being a small company and being able to support someone in the reserves, so giving me an extra 10 days of paid leave to meet my commitments and being flexible around those obligations that I have is absolutely fantastic. I really recognise how they are supporting that second career, and I'm really determined to bring benefit to them as well from that work.
Yeah, we are a startup. We're building very rapidly, and what we need is people that are willing to go the extra mile. If someone's willing to do a reservist career in addition to their own, they've already demonstrated that in spades.
We have a really motivated employee who is really used to working in challenging and diverse situations, and she does that of her own accord in her time outside of work, so bringing all of that experience and opportunity back into the business. My biggest advice to any other employers would be to open up a conversation about how it can work rather than think about why it can't work. Having a reservist in the workforce is a brilliant opportunity to bring a range of experience and skills into the business.
Supporting the reserves also sends a signal as an employer on what you value, so shared purpose, meeting commitments, those kinds of things. I think there's increasing recognition that people have an identity outside their main employment, whether that's family, community, or a second career. And an employer who can support that is going to have loyal employees who will probably be with them for longer. So it's good for recruitment and it's good for retention.